Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this video. In this one I'm going to show you this beautiful polling application which has been created on Django, and you don't have to worry about the code of this website because I'll be putting a link in the description of the video through which you will be able to access the entire code of this web application. So I would like to first tell you about how it works, and then I will walk you through the coding that has been used for creating it. So we can just come here on register, and here we can register a user first. So let me just do it quickly. Okay, I'm done with entering the required details. Let's sign up. Okay, and then here we have to put the login credentials through which we have created the user. So it is this. The password and username are same for this user. Okay, so once the user logs into the app, he gets redirected to this page where he get to see this get started button. He can click here and then he can check out the different polls. Right now, as you can see, there are no polls. If this person wants to take opinion of other people for using this application, he can just create a poll on this app. So for that he has to click here on add, and sorry but you don't have permission to do that. Okay, so if he clicks here on this add plus, he don't get access to the admin panel through which the polls can be created. So what we can do, we'll have to log out. Okay, and then let me just tell you about how can we create a poll now. So here we have to create a super user. Let me put the required details here. Okay, so I've successfully created a super user. Now I am going to log in into the application with the help of super users login credentials. So I need to click here on login, and here I can just put the login credentials. Okay, so I have logged in into this application as a super user. Now let's get started. Let's try to create a poll. Okay, now I am able to do it. So what do you think would be a good skin treatment? Okay, so the first choice is homeopathic, and the second one is, let's say, allopathic. Add poll. So I have successfully added a poll. Let me just click here on this link, and I can also uh, you know uh, contribute to this poll by selecting one of these options. Then I can hit this vote option. So this is the result, right? And let me just log out, and now I'm going to log in through the credentials of Anubhav. So that's the first user which we created, right? Hope you remember this. Let us check if we can see that poll which we just created through uh, you know the admin login credentials on this or not. Okay, so the poll is visible to us. Let's hit this link, and it has redirected us to this poll here. Let's select this second option, allopathic, vote. Okay, so this is the result right now. Back to polls. So this is how a person can participate in polls. Right, log out, and let me just log in again through the admin login credentials. And if the admin wants to end the poll at any time, he can do that too by hitting this option, and it will give him this notification which says, are you sure? So he can click here on OK, and that's how he can end the poll, and he will be redirected to the uh, this result. Okay, so this is how this application works. If the user wants to again create a poll, he can do this. So this is how the application looks like, and this is the inside of the application. That's the whole code that has been used for uh, creating this application. If you want to learn Django and if you want to create applications like this, definitely you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens. Right, I'll be putting the code in the description section as I've promised you in the starting of the video, so that you guys can also try it out on your device. But for that you need to have a good understanding of Django. Okay, so this is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video in your groups to make it reach to the maximum students possible. Thank you so very much for all your love and the support that you're providing to my channel. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead.